Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706. That's Douglas.
It's the Weather Xtreme video for Friday the 16th of December. On this date, we always think back on that horrible tornado in Tuscaloosa 11 years ago today. 11 people died, many more were injured, but thankfully, despite the clouds and the rain, nothing like that today. Check some of the Skycam shots around the network this morning. At the ridiculous hour of 5 a.m., it is raining up in Haleyville in Winston County in northwest Alabama. Light rain falling there. Pretty much the same scene from Fayette. Nice look there at the Fayette County Courthouse. And from Tuscaloosa, little rain on the camera lens. All right, you get the idea. These upper lows are forming in the southwest. They weaken and they lift out. The one that lifted out earlier this week is moving up into eastern Canada, and the new one is back in the southwest. And down below that, the trailing front off that leading wave is just easing through here today. And it'll be kind of cloudy and wet and, of course, cooler because of the clouds. There's the radar at 5:09. The better rain's north of Interstate 59, and that's where the better rain will be today. South of Birmingham, some folks down there might not get enough rain to measure. And to the north, rain amounts will be less than a half inch. Not a big rain event at all, but it will be a damp day. Again, the nation is quiet. I mean, just quiet as could be. No serious winter storms, severe weather problems, flooding. And that'll work out just fine for us. Here's the rain for the next 5 days, valid through Tuesday evening at 6 o'clock. The bullseye on the the Oklahoma-Arkansas border with 5 inches there. And in our state, amounts vary from about 1 inch around the shoals down to nothing for Auburn, Troy, and Dothan in southeast Alabama. Check the modeling. This is the 06 ZGFS at noon today at 500 millibars. You see the new upper low in the southwest. Down below that will be wet at times. Again, we'll probably hover in the mid to upper 50s all day. Temperatures going nowhere. Tomorrow, the dry air takes over, the sky becoming sunny. It will be cooler. The NAM is at 51. The GFS is at 54. Sunday, we start the day around freezing. We warm up to near 60 Sunday afternoon. Bright sunny sky. All right, Monday of next week, here comes a new system lifting out of the southwest. We say dry will be warmer, highs up in the 60s. Tuesday, that next wave is going to be passing north of us. Another one drops in over the Southern California coast. And down below that, Tuesday would be a wet day. Maybe some thunder in there with the surface low north of us, 1,008 millibars. Instability is kind of marginal. Don't expect any severe weather, but that will be a good chance of rain and storms. This verifies. And then Wednesday, that system is long gone. But again, we look at the European. This is midday Wednesday off that model, and it's slower, suggesting the rain might hang on into early Wednesday morning, and we'll kind of lean that way in the forecast. But clearly, it does look like the main event will be Tuesday and Tuesday night. Go to Thursday, back to the GFS. That will be a dry day. Should be mostly sunny with a high close to 60. And look at this now, Friday of next week, and timing is all over the board around this Christmas weekend, so this will probably change, but this is the way it is now. Friday at midday, another rain event with the next impulse coming out of the southwest. Christmas Eve, we go dry. Not cold, but dry. And then Christmas Day, here comes the next one. And so, this run says we'll have rain on Christmas Eve and then on Christmas Day, but I guarantee it's going to change again. But again, the screaming message is that no, big shots of cold air, no snowflakes like we had last year. But we've always got the memories and the pictures if you were here last year. All right, we'll check the end of the forecast. This is New Year's Eve, the 31st. Well, I guarantee it's not going to be cold if that's right. Look at that big ridge pumped up over the central U.S., little upper low feature around the Texas-Oklahoma border, or the Texas-Louisiana border, and that's just dry and downright warm if this is right. Look at, you got cold air over the northeast and the northwest, but for the central states and the southern states, that's awfully mild. All right, that's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And if you live around here, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.